Showering's real fun, isn't it?
Welcome to Southern Park a Truck. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things you need to know about truck stop showers, from where to find them, to how much they cost, to the level of safety and cleanliness there. So let's dive in and take a look at number 1. What is a truck stop shower? If you're new to the trucking lifestyle, you may be wondering what a truck stop shower is. A truck stop shower is simply a shower that's available for truck drivers to use while they're on the road. Truck stops usually have showers available for a small fee, and they're typically open 24 hours a day. At number 2, are truck stop showers free? Truck stop showers typically cost between $12 and $17, although some truck stops offer free showers.
For free?
For free.
Not all truck stops have showers, but there are a few major truck stop chains that do offer them.
Oh yeah!
To make it easier, some truck stops offer credits towards free showers when you buy fuel, snacks, or other items. At number 3, are truck stop showers private? Truck stop showers are generally private and secure. Most truck stops have their shower area in a separate space away from the rest of the facility, and access is usually restricted. The showers are typically single-use rooms with a sink, mirror, shower, toilet, fan, and outlet. Some truck stops also provide a hairdryer in each room. While some truck stops may offer shared showers for non-truckers, it is not recommended to share a shower with someone you don't know. At number 4, are truck stop showers clean? Truck stop showers are generally clean and safe. Additionally, many truck stops employ dedicated porters to sanitize the showers before each use. This ensures that truck stop showers are safe for everyone who uses them. At number 5, pros and cons of taking a truck stop shower. Showering at a truck stop may be a terrific way to break up the monotony of your journey and meet new people. Truck stops are social gathering spots for truckers to eat, sleep, and unwind. So if you're searching for some human connection, having a shower at a truck stop is an excellent option. There are, of course, certain disadvantages to taking a truck stop shower.
What disadvantages?
For starters, they may be costly, often as much as $15 for just a few minutes of usage.
Sounds expensive.
They may also be dirty and crowded since they are public spaces. You may also have to wait in line to use the truck stop shower.
Excuse me? Are you in line for the bathroom?
No.
Oh. Then move! Give me the key!
However, if you can disregard these disadvantages, having a shower at a truck stop may be a pleasurable experience.
Sorry.
At number 6, are truck stop showers safe? Absolutely. Don't let stereotypes fool you. Truck stop showers are typically clean and well maintained, offering a professional and hygienic environment for travelers. At number 7, can truck stop showers be used by anyone? Don't be mistaken. Truck stop showers were designed with truckers in mind, but they are open to anyone who is looking for a place to freshen up during a long journey. Whether you're a trucker, a road tripper, or simply driving through a new state. So don't be intimidated by the misconception that truck stops are only for truckers. At number 8, preparations for taking a truck stop shower. If you're planning on taking a truck stop shower, there are a few things you should know in order to make the experience as comfortable and stress-free as possible. First, it's important to bring your own soap, shampoo, and towel. It's best not to use the shared products and towels that are usually available at truck stops. This way, you can be sure that you're using clean and fresh items on your skin.
What do you mean how do you think this is your towel? Do you even wash it?
No, I don't wash the towel. The towel washes me. Who washes a towel?
Be aware of your belongings. It's easy to leave your valuables behind in a truck stop shower, so make sure you keep an eye on them at all times.
I lost my pen.
You can borrow mine.
Thanks.
I lost something once.
Allow plenty of time. Truck stop showers typically have time limits, so it's important to give yourself plenty of time to shower. Be respectful of other people using the shower. And finally, don't forget to enjoy yourself. A truck stop shower can be a great way to relax after a long day on the road. Wear flip-flops or sandals to further protect your feet from any germs that may be present in the shower. This will ensure that your feet don't come in direct contact with the shower floor. At number 9, which truck stop has the best showers? Pilot Flying J is widely considered to have the best truck stop showers. Their showers are known for being immaculate and having lots of hot water. Other popular truck stops with good showers include TA, Petro Stopping Centers, TA Express, Loves, and any of the other well-known truck stops. All of these locations provide 2 freshly laundered towels, a bath mat and washcloth, liquid and bar soap, a wall-mounted oscillating fan, and a hairdryer. At number 10, how to find the best truck stop showers. A hot shower can be a refreshing break from the monotony of the road, but with so many truck stops to choose from, here are a few tips to help you find the best truck stop showers.
Write that down, write that down!
1. Ask around. Talk to other truckers and see where they like to shower. They'll likely have some great recommendations. 2. Check online reviews. Take a look at online forums and review sites to see what others are saying about different truck stop showers. 3. Call ahead. This way, you'll know what to expect before you even arrive. 4. Inspect the facility yourself.
Inspecting.
Take a look around and see if the showers appear clean and well maintained. Following these tips should help you find the best possible showers at truck stops along your route.
If we're gonna have any kind of fun together, you guys had better loosen up.